Welcome back to Mubitech Guru. If you're new here, please do well to subscribe our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys on how to connect your Mysterium VPN and also how to select the best proxy of your IP address from Mysterium. So let's get started. So we're heading to our Mysterium VPN. So all you need to do first, come here and close this refresh IP address, then you come here, select to United Kingdom. Then you come to United Kingdom and search connect. So we're connecting United VPN. United location. All you need to check is to go to your IP score.com and search. So all you need to check is your DNS. Refresh. Make sure your MTU is 1500 or from 1400 to 1500 above. Anything from below 1400 is not good for something. All I need to do is just come to my prime opinion to also confirm. If it shows VPN detected, that shows the IP address is not good. But as long as it ain't sure, then the IP address is good. So we're going to confirm using our prime opinion. That's the second method. So you can see there's surveys, and if there's no surveys, show VPN detected, that shows the IP is not good. And also if you can confirm the what's the name? Okay. Yes. Confirm another city. I will see the one that is not good. If it shows that VPN detected, that means the IP address is not good, like I said. So you best use these two platforms to confirm. So this IP address is very good. This IP address is very good. Yeah, long as your VPN detected, that means your VPN is not good. Please do have to change the VPN. Then you have to just go back here, come to this place and select the city. Maybe select city and test run it. So that's how to go about it. So I just go here and just pick up the city and this time just pick it. So let's still check here for NG. We're using it. So let's see. Let's see the prime opinion. Let's see if it's with VPN detected. So, let's scroll. Let's scroll around. Let's check. Okay. 1429, which will say anything above. Let's save. Alright. Alright, this is good for survey. That's good for survey. This is good for survey. So these are kind of products that you need to use when taking a survey. This kind of products that you need to use. So all the best, guys. Once again, if you are new, please do subscribe our channel. Thanks so much for watching our video.